Hey guys, summer is here at Hennessey Performance and we've got the 2025 VelociRaptor 500 Bronco Raptor. This is the ultimate getaway summer vehicle. Whether you're going to the beach, you're hitting the mountains, you're going to go to the dunes, this is the perfect setup. We take the already super capable Bronco Raptor front forward. So we're going through doing the VelociRaptor front bumper upgrade. We do a 20-inch premium wheel, 37-inch off-road tires. We increase the horsepower from the factory up to 500 horses. The amazing thing about the Bronco Raptor is you got the ability to remove the roof. It's got waterproof seats. This is, again, the ultimate weekend getaway vehicle. This is now for sale in inventory in the new desert sand color. Give us a call today and get it in your driveway.
Thank you.